Are you tasting it or eating it?
Eating. It's so delicious.
Is it good?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Ah, good. Thank
Really
you.
good.
Hola! So today we are going to cook something that you can serve to your family. It's something that is colorful, nutritious, delicious, and it's super healthy. So today we are going to cook pineapple rice. So today's recipe is pineapple rice, and we have here pineapple, of course, 3 cups of cooked rice, and we have here variety of vegetables. Now, you guys, you can use whatever vegetable available in your refrigerator. But I have here is I have the carrots, pumpkin, green beans, green peas, sweet corn, broccoli, and cauliflower. And I have here onion, garlic, and spring onion. Now the onion, I use only one whole medium size, and 4 cloves of garlic. And I have 3 eggs here, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, dark soya sauce, and 1 spoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of honey. And the spices, we have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 1 spoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Now here also I have natural cashew nuts, and we are going to roast it later. Now I have cooking oil, coconut cooking oil. I think that's all. So before we start, we are going to prepare the pineapple first. So before you cut the pineapple, you need to wash it to take out the dust and the dirt from the pineapple. So we are going to take out the meat. So we can add the pineapple meat as one of the ingredients for pineapple rice. Of course, because it's pineapple rice, so you must put pineapple. So we only need 1 cup of pineapple meat, pineapple meat. So mix it to the rice. Now, pineapple, guys, is loaded of nutrients. It's contain vitamin C. It's improve your digestion system. It's improve or it boosts your immune system, and it reduces the blood clot. And also, did I mention vitamin C? It's full of vitamin C, this one. Now, you are going to slice the pineapple so it's easy to take out the meats like this. You need small knife to just like that. And then we are going to scoop out the pineapple meat. So easy. See that? So easy to take out. Now we are not going to throw out the shell. That's why I take out the meat this process or this procedure, because I like to use the shell later for our presentation. We can put the rice here. See that? So easy. Now before we start, we are going to roast the cashew nut first. We just want the cashew nuts to give nice brown color, a little bit brown. So the cashew nuts is ready now, and oops. Then we can proceed now to the other ingredients. So we are going to start to cook the egg first. We are just going to scramble the egg, cook it as a scrambled egg. Now we are not going to add salt and pepper here. There's no need. Coconut oil and the egg. Scrambled egg. So the egg is done. I'm going to transfer here. Okay. So in the same cooking pan, we are going to continue now. So we don't need to clean it. It doesn't matter. So about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And goes our garlic and onion. Now we are going to cook the onion and the garlic. When the garlic is getting lightly brown, then we are ready to add the other ingredients here. Now it's time to add the vegetable. Now the more vegetable, guys, you can add, the more it's healthy. You can get more nutrients from the vegetable, like fiber, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and some other vitamins you can get. Now, you can cook your vegetable according to your preference. So if you like it crunchy, you can just cook it hot cook, and if you want it soft, it's up to you. But I recommend half cook. But of course, if you have children at home, it's better that you cook the vegetable when it's soft. It's for them to easy to chew it and to digest. See, it's colorful. That's why I told you before, we are going to make something, we're going to cook something colorful, nutritious, delicious, and it's healthy. Okay, now it's time for the spices, all of the spices. You can add And after this, we can add the rice. Smell spices. Okay, now it's well mixed. Then it's time to add the rice. So the rice, about 3 cups of rice. Okay. And then just mix it. Oops. Now you need to mix it very well. Okay, so it's well combined now, well mixed. And then we can add now the soya sauce and the honey mixture now. Here's the soya sauce. Now we are going to add the honey here, just to balance the saltiness and the sweetness. Our soya sauce and honey mixture, and then we mix it. Oh, look at the color. You can see green, yellow, orange. What else? Okay. Then the scrambled egg, the pineapple, the star of the show. Let's mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, the last ingredients we're going to put is the sesame oil. Now, I love sesame oil. It's just I like the smell, the taste, additional taste. And the last is the cashew nuts. We have a little bit protein from the cashew nut, and also from the egg. Spring onion, and then it's ready soon. Okay, so now it's done. Our pineapple rice is done. Now we have this, the pineapple shell. It looks like a boat. Now this you cannot eat, but we just use it for presentation. It's nice to look when you use the shell. Now I think, guys, if you serve this to your children, they will love it, because it's like so much colors. It's so colorful. It's colorful rice. Wow. Okay, and then we have a little bit of spring onion here, sprinkled on the top. It's a garnish. Now it's time to taste it. It looks so yummy. Mm. Mm. It's so flavorful. It's all the spices, and it's the sourness from the pineapple and the sweetness from the pineapple, and also the crunchiness from the vegetables. You guys, you must try this at home. Your kids will love it. There you go, guys, our pineapple rice. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.